previous session, we have learned about why we need the managerial skill for the personal need and also for the industrial need. Now we are going to learn about what is a manager's responsibilities. That is, for main manager, the individual responsible for achieving the organizational objectives through efficient and effective utilization of resources. That is the definition of the manager, who will be responsible for achieving all the organizational objectives. They will be setting some of the objectives to produce the product, 10,000 number of products, and you have to sell them within 1 week or 1 month. That is an objective. How efficiently and how effectively he is doing that work by utilizing the resources which are provided to him. That is the function of the definition of manager. The manager's resources are human, financial resource, physical and informational resource. Human resource means under the manager he will be having so many groups of person who is working under him. What all the work the manager will be assigning, they will be doing that. Financial means the amount of money which is needed to take all the resources will come under financial support. And physical physical support, how he is providing the physically supporting each and every person who is working under him. And informational resource, like informational resource, what all the information he need related to the process of the production or any other process, that information he need to get as a resource. Performance is means of evaluating how effectively and efficiently managers use resources to achieve the objective. What all the resources we have discussed now, like human, financial, physical and informational, all the resources, how effectively and efficiently he is using to achieve the objectives. That is called as the how good performer manager is. Okay, you can find out by seeing how he is using the resources. Day in a life of manager, you can take it as an example. At 8 a.m., enter the store and walk the sales floor to ensure a proper closing took place the night before. Means previous night, the at the closing time it has been closed properly or not. All the stock or all the material are present in the store and sales floor. That he will check. Project the payroll cost for a week as a percentage of my forecast sales and call it in. Means whatever the previous week sales has been done, with respect to that he will be forecasting the sales and he will be providing the graph, like what percentage of sales has been happened, if any improvement is needed, all those things he has to mention there. Perform opening procedures on the controller, that is computer, that records the sales transactions and inventory count for all the cash registers in the store. He will be opening all the procedures related to and controllers related to each and every devices which are present in his control. Okay, and at 8:30, walk the sales floor with the staff and assign the projects for them to create the new displays for the merchandise during the day. At that for the day, what all the projects or what all the work has to be assigned to the each and every person who is working under him, that will be provided here. And at 9 a.m. before the store opens, all voicemail and check the email for messages left by other store managers or the boss and the district managers. He will be checking related to all the mails and all, because the communication from other branches or from the boss or from the district managers, you will be getting the information through voicemails and emails. Okay, if you have to take the decisions according to them, then definitely you have to verify or check each and every mails which are provided by the store managers and district managers or a boss. Okay, make business telephone calls for the day. Whatever the business telephone calls are there, that you have to finish it off between the 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. At 9:30, assign sales associates to store zones. What all the sales associates are there, you have to assign them to the store zones and put money in computer cash register drawers. And at 10 a.m., open the store and make sure sales associates are in their zone on the floor for proper floor coverage, and make sure everyone who enters the store is greeted and as is or her needs determined, and provide the floor coverage, that is help out as needed, greet customers, assist customers with the sales and stock shelves, assist at the changing rooms, etc. See, if I am taking an example of one store, if I am taking an example like car showroom, if I am taking, you can see that for one model, you will be having one different type of salesperson. He will be knowing everything about one that car. That's why he has to, if the customer is coming, keeping his mind with proper specifications of one car, then definitely he will go to that car only. You have to explain and impress them properly. That's why you have to allot, manager has to allot the salesperson with their knowledge to the respective product. Okay. And at 12 p.m. do business analysis for the previous month from operating statement and gross margin reports and all. And at 12:30 provide floor coverage as needed for the staggered employees breaks, because employees will be having the breaks. At that time manager has to help them with the coverage of the needs. And at 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. Break will be there, proper customer required transfers. Merchandise our store has, but other stores do not have, and to be delivered and enter transfer into computer and then merchandising. Like if any customer requests have come from the other stores and all, then you have to send it from your store. And at 3 p.m. leave for the district meeting, whatever the meetings are there, that you have to do it at 3 p.m. At 3:15, drop off the transfer and pick up another store manager and continue on the district meeting. Like within one district, you have to meet up and communicate with respect to sales and all. Then you have to do this. And at 4 p.m., meeting is conducted by district manager with the 7 general and store managers. Meeting begins with the discussion of the following topics like previous week sales, previous week payrolls, payroll projections for the next month, and cost as a percentage of sales, and cleanliness and standards of the store, new information items, mails, general discussion, questions and all. Everything will be discussed in the meetings. Okay. And at 6 p.m. call my store to see how sales are going for the day and then leave for home. This is one day life in a manager's work, if I am considering related to any of the store. In store, if the manager is working, then in this way he has to manage his whole day.